Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your boy Visionary B with the Visionary Money Show coming at you live Monday through Friday with a live stream on Saturday. Trying to give you some financial news you can use. So if you don't mind, go ahead and press that subscribe. Wanted to start today off talking about Square. Square is the owner behind Cash App, also the Square readers, all the iPad mobile devices, payment processors. But there was an article on CNBC talking about Visa, MasterCard, and Square moving forward. All of the payment processors are in a position to do very well. Visa's been doing well since it IPO'd, and with the opening and everybody going back to spending money, then the payment processors are in a prime position to do well. So if you're looking for any type of investments to buy and hold long term, the payment processors are really in a position where they can't lose. One I wanted to highlight today is Square. Square behind the Cash App. If you would have invested 3 months ago, you'd be down 9%. But a little bit further out, let's say if we went to a year, you would be up 100% on your money. And if you go back 5 years, you'd be up 2,400%. And the reason I wanted to talk about Square is because they plan on getting into the DeFi business. And the DeFi business is something that I've been looking at a lot lately. It's called decentralized finance. And it's going to be the ability to take out loans and do bank type services without having to use a bank. And I think that will be a thriving business in the future. It opens up access to capital for a lot of people who are not banked, or some people who in different countries who may not have access to certain things. But it uses blockchain smart contracts to execute transactions to do decentralized finance. So as far as like loaning money, borrowing money, all of these things will be open to a plethora of new people. And crypto, I do think it's a thing moving forward. As you know, I always talk about the total market cap of crypto and the total market cap of DeFi. Right now, it's about 55 billion locked into the decentralized finance platform, and it is growing. If you're looking at it, today it's at 53 billion AAVE. AV is the number one. There's about 10 billion locked in AV. And I told you, I've been saying it for a while now, DeFi is the way to go. The total crypto market cap is about 1.3 trillion. And I do expect that total market cap to grow. And with Square getting involved with making Bitcoin, cryptocurrency wallets, you can buy and sell crypto on Cash App. They receive a portion of that revenue as well. And Visa and MasterCard are also working with crypto dealers. So anytime you have $1 trillion market, there's money to be made. So Square, Visa, MasterCard, all of these are following the trend. And if you want to take a look at how Square makes their money, Cash App is the largest and fastest growing source of income for them. If you go to Investopedia, you can check it out. But basically, they make about half of their revenue from Cash App, and it is a very small user base right now. I think it's only about 55 million people who have a Cash App account, but they haven't even expanded into other countries yet. So that leaves a lot of room for growth in the future. So that's why they say getting in now is like getting in on JPMorgan in the 1800s. They're making billions of dollars and they still haven't accessed over 100 million people yet. So there's a lot of room for growth. Square, put it on your watch list. A good idea would be to buy maybe some fractions of it every pay period. And this is one that you just want to sit on and hold for about 20, 30 years. And you will be glad if you invested in Square 20 years ago. Once again, this isn't financial advice, just something for you to look at. I'm not a financial expert, just a guy on the internet trying to make some money. But that is what I wanted to share with you. Also, Square bought Tidal. They have a lot of different things going on. They got a crypto wallet coming out. They're getting involved in decentralized finance. So just a lot of room for revenue growth in the future.